A very good morning, dear students. I hope all are healthy and safe at home. Today we are going to learn the second lesson, that is The Elixir of Life, written by Sir C.V. Raman. He describes the importance of water. Water is the basis of all life, and Sir C.V. Raman explains beautifully how water has played prominent role in agriculture. We know that the flowing water creates soil erosion. He suggests certain ways and means to avoid soil erosion and conserve water. The essay on the elixir of life motivates and creates awareness among the people to harness water, means collect and preserve, then use it. But we never thought of collecting it. Only we utilize water and waste the water. Here in this essay, Sir C.V. Raman says the importance of water and the need to harness the water so that the future generation can survive. Dear students, as I explain the lesson paragraph wise, kindly follow your textbook and pay attention to it. As already I have told you, in this essay titled The Elixir of Life, the author C.V. Raman highlights the significance of water for sustenance of life on this earth and the importance of conservation and proper utilization of water for the economic upliftment of the rural people. The word elixir means an imaginary substance that will make people live forever. It also refers to an imaginary cure for all ills. In short, the word elixir means divine amruta, which is believed to confer immortality, means live forever. The writer begins his essay informing the reader that plain water, which is the commonest of all liquids, is the true elixir of life. He opines that it lies so near to our hands, but we do not seem to recognize its importance. In paragraph second, in order to help the readers realize the historical role played by water in the history of civilization, the author cites the example of the Nile Valley in Egypt. Then he narrates his experience of viewing both the Libyan desert and the Nile Valley in Egypt simultaneously from a distance. He tells us that he was startled by the striking difference in the landscape. On one side, he saw a vast stretch of billowing, means spreading on large area, the sand without a speck of green or a single living thing anywhere on it, while on the other side he saw one of the greenest, most fertile and densely populated areas on the earth, teeming with, means full of life and vegetation. He explains that the wonderful difference one notices there was made by the water of the river Nile flowing down to the Mediterranean Sea. Let's move on to next paragraph. Here the author tells the reader that geologists are of the opinion that the entire fertile soil of the Nile Valley is the creation of the river Nile itself. He states that this fertile soil of the Nile Valley is the result of the finest silt deposited by the flood. Means every year when it rains heavily, the river Nile floods and carries alluvial soil along with it when it travels from Abyssinia and Central Africa and deposits the silt. As a result, so many fertile valleys are created, and this river Nile provides water to all the valleys. We have read in the history over the years, many civilizations have taken birth on river Nile. Here, emphasis is made on the importance of water. Where there is water, there is full of life. We see everywhere greenery around us. He concludes that Egypt was made by the river Nile, and the ancient civilization of Egypt was created and sustained by the life-giving waters of Nile, which flows through it every year without fail. Let's move on to the fourth paragraph. In the fourth para, the author assertively says that he is giving the example of Egypt and can give many more such examples to emphasize the fact that water, the most common substance that we use in our daily life, is the most potent, means powerful, and the most wonderful thing on the face of earth. He says that water has played a vital role of vast significance in shaping the course of the earth's history and will continue to play the leading role in the drama of life on this earth. Dear students, we have seen in 4 paragraphs the importance of water, how the water plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. In the coming paragraphs, we are going to learn more about the importance of water, extremely useful in agriculture. At the same time, the flowing water can also cause soil erosion. So in the next paragraphs, we'll learn more about the merits and demerits of flowing water. I kindly request all of you to go through this lesson once again and come prepared for the next class. Thank you. God bless you.